Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this Shadow Black 2020 Ford Ranger, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. In the XLT trim, this Ranger comes packed with the 3018 equipment group, as well as the Sport Appearance package and a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. Some of the more notable features of this Ranger include a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, Bluetooth, the blind spot information system, this touch display screen for your audio and climate controls, as well as miscellaneous vehicle settings. The screen will also display the feed from your backup camera. Plus, if you prefer, there are the console buttons for your climate control. And the two USB ports can make sure that all of your mobile devices have a place to charge. Let's take a quick look at the back seat and the truck bed. Thanks for watching. There is more to show you about this Ford Ranger than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show it to you in person. So for more information or even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store, or if you want us to bring this Ford Ranger out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have a great day.